Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll solve the differential equation y prime plus y by x is equal to x square y 5. So note that this is a Bernoullis differential equation. And why so? Because we have here the extra term y to the power 5. So how to solve this Bernoullis differential equation? We will divide this extra term to the both sides of the equation. So by dividing by y to the 5, we have y to the minus 5 into y prime plus y by x is equal to x square. So simplifying, we have y to the minus 5 y prime plus y to the minus 4 by x is equal to x square. Next, what we will do? We will make a substitution, which is y to the minus 4 is equal to u. So by differentiating, we get minus 4 times y to the minus 5 is equal to u prime. So y to the minus 5 into y prime is minus 1 by 4 into u prime. So again substituting, we get minus 1 by 4 into u prime plus u by x is equal to x square. So by simplifying, u prime minus 4u by x is equal to minus 4x square. So here we get a first order linear ODE. And we will solve first order linear ODE by finding the integrating factor. So here the integrating factor is e power integration coefficient of u. So minus 4 by x dx. So this will be e power minus 4 ln x. And minus 4 ln x is nothing but e power ln x to the minus 4, which is nothing but x to the minus 4 only. So we get integrating factor. So by multiplying by integrating factor to the both side of 1, we get ddx of u x to the minus 4 is equal to minus 4x square into x to the minus 4, which is nothing but minus 4 x to the minus 2. So u x to the minus 4 is equal to minus 4 integral x to the minus 2 plus c. And what is this integral x to the minus 2? This is nothing but minus 1 by x. So u is equal to x to the power 4 into 4 by x plus c, which is 4x cube plus cx4. And what is u? U is y to the power minus 4. So the solution is y to the power minus 4 is equal to 4x cube plus cx4, which is the required answer.